Oh yeah, that's a good one. How you like that? I thought we were gonna lose him for a second. Alright, me and Tam. She's sitting on my truck. We about to head out.
Good evening, you outdoor wicked adventurers. We are here again on the bank. Jeremy, as you know, is on the boat. But I wanted to show you our little bank palace abode we have going on. There's Mar, who is building that fire. He's got a pretty good idea, so we'll check back later when hopefully that fire is rolling. And we have our little porch in our... We have like a super duper sized tent for the three of us, but it's great. I love it. Our little porch, this is where I'll spend most of the night watching rods. What a view. Our little palace in here. It's gonna get dark soon, so we're gonna get our rods set out and Mars can get that fire rolling for dinner and smokes. Let's see what Jeremy and Tamron have going on in the boat. Hopefully they're catching us bait. Wish them luck. Mars got that fire going. And we got Jeremy and Tamron. Did you luck out?
I can't hear you.
Coming in hot. That's fine, yeah. What the hell is that? Oh my gosh, what the hell? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I thought it was a freaking carp of some sort. What the hell? What the hell? Oh, we're about to lose him. Oh gosh.
Big old gar.
What the heck? Oh shit.
He has someone else's line in him. That's not ours.
Our line's green.
Oh my gosh. Oh, look at his eyes. Holy schnikers. Damn, that's a good fish. What the hell? Holy cow.
Up a fight too. But we
Do
didn't
you
have
see this, Mar?
we didn't have the cameras going because we were just trying to get some bait.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my.
That's a biggie.
Is that a garb or a
Yeah.
gar?
Oh my gosh, that's awesome.
There's
Mar,
three.
I'm recording too. You're getting the same angle.
Well, no, I'm getting a better angle. We'll see.
See?
Oh my gosh, we're gonna
Wait.
run out of space on my phone.
Get close up. Let's get close up on
You
you.
always delete some of this crazy. Your fire's going good.
We probably have like 17 minutes of fire.
Go
Ready?
those
He's
teeth.
going back. You probably don't want him back here, huh? I doubt he's eating anything.
He's probably won't eat. Besides, I don't know, catch him. That's fine.
I mean, he's hefty.
His spots are
Yeah,
cool.
that was really amazing. He's like, this one feels
Oh my
so heavy.
I was
gosh.
like, this is way bigger than bait.
Did you get a picture
And
with
then when
him?
it got
No, I have
closer,
not.
we seen it come
Can you grab
up.
my phone on my
Yeah. Okay, what? Oh shit. Okay, bye. We got a picture.
That's cool.
And it's a good picture. It's just not bright, but we can brighten it up and it's great. There they go. We better get some of that fresh carp out. It was cool seeing that gar. Welcome to my little porch where I can watch my rods without the bugs getting me. It's amazing. And I got my thermosol in here. And of course, I gave all the ketchup to the boys. So that's all right. Jalapeno brats don't need it. And the hot dogs are all beef, so they're good too. So far nothing, but mosquito. After dinner, I'm gonna rebait and hope Jeremy and Tamron are having better luck than me.
Tamron typing away on her phone. Eating dinner out here on the river. Still watch our poles. We missed one fish a little bit ago. She's trying these new Dorito Cool Ranch Lays. How do they taste?
Good. Tastes like sour cream and onion chips.
Really? we did it simple, just hot dogs, but hopefully a fish comes by. I got brats, jalapeno brats. She don't like the hot stuff. And I got these. These chips are awesome. If you haven't tried them, honey butter, good stuff. We were only able to make it to 2 spots before we got a little bit tired. But we still might hit another spot up. But I'm gonna take a little bit of a nap. Hopefully one of these starts ripping line out and wakes us up. That'd be awesome. But this is a pretty chill spot. It's a nice night. It's cooling off. No wind. Bugs are starting to disappear. You see there's still a few bugs out there, but they're mostly starting to disappear. Got the rods fanned out. See what happens. But we're gonna take a little snooze, I think. Holy shit! Where's the flashlight? Get it, Tam. Get it.
I don't know if I want to take it out of the level or not.
That woke me up.
I don't know. I like turn off the cooker.
I'll get it. Get the rod tip up a little bit. Oh, he's coming this way. Get this. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Step aside this way a little bit. There we go. How's it feel?
Keeps going that way.
You just don't want to get under that motor. You got a hold of the rod?
Yeah.
Alright. I'm gonna try and maneuver you over here. Is he coming back this way?
I don't know.
Looks like it.
Come on.
We just said we were gonna lay down for a couple hours and see if a big fish comes along, and bam! He said, I'm right here. Shit. I got him. How you like that? I thought we were gonna lose him for a second.
Me too.
Look at that beauty. I think that might be your new PB.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. It looks huge.
Alright, get this hook out of there. That was the one that was on bottom too. So good. Hi, Burpee. Doesn't want to let go of the hook. And we actually brought a tournament style scale, so we're gonna get a good weight on this fish. I'm saying it's 55, but we'll see. You
like
get,
half as
get
much
next
as
to your fish for me. Just smile. Good job, Tam. All right, we got the bend set up. And tear that out to 0. I'm gonna throw them in there. Tamara's gonna videotape me getting them in the bin. He's a toad. He is a toad.
My hand's like shaking from the arm.
Ow! Thanks for flinging the net down on me. Well, I'm pretty good at guessing. Stop. 53.5. All right. What do you weigh?
53.5?
Yeah, 53.5. Tamara's new PB. Blue cat, her first blue cat ever on the Missouri River. We honestly were getting ready to lay down for a nap. And he just started ripping drag out. Is that a fun fight?
Mm-hmm.
You could be able to release him, or you want me to release him? I can't even get up.
Oh, I'm hugging him. We're best friends. We're best friends.
Do you need help? You want me to do it? Because I want to make sure he swims off too. Oh, he swam off. Look at him go. Don't beat yourself. Oh, we're gonna have to go save your ass. Come on, figure it out, whale. You just swam straight towards shore. Hey, hey, shallower, shallower. There you go, find it. Looks like a shark out there. Heck yeah. High five. Take it. He's swimming towards a brush pile. Are you recording? My turn. Oh, man. Oh, yeah, he's on. It's not a 50. Away from yellow. It's not a gar either. It's a cat. Just moved to a new spot this morning. See if we can't catch something. We only had one bite last night. Cameron's could have ate this.
There's still bait in the net from.
Wow, he came off.
He's missing half his tail.
He is missing a chunk. They're all beat up. The spawn must have been super late. There you go. He's probably 8 to 9 pounder. Pretty cat. Thanks. Just hit the top button.
Good morning, vibes. I hope Jeremy and Tamara did better on the boat than we did last night. Oh. Ah, we finally got a fish and my freaking GoPro won't work. Figures. Man, I'm like ticked that the GoPro wasn't working because fish just slapped me with water, but he's a pretty goodie. He's a pretty goodie. Yeah. Woo! Ah! Tension on the rod. That doesn't look like a carp. Yeah, it does. Yeah, it does. Yeah, it does. Woo! So mad. Little missile. Little missile man. All right, I am gonna go try and get my GoPro working in a minute here, but oh my gosh. Calm down a second, bro. We're getting you back in the water right now. Right now. Kiss for you, because you are pissy. Maybe. Wow. Okay, bye. All right, at least we got a couple this morning. I really got to get that GoPro going before we get any more, but I want to catch more, so let's keep going. Ah! Ty's getting it. Ty wants a fish, Okay, your line's over there, so you got to bring it back. Whoa, whoa, whoa. We got to bring it back over here. Yeah. Oh, shit. All right. Come on down, Ty. Reel, 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 reel. Keep that tension on the rod, bud. Oh, come on. Get back from under this. Ooh, he's a goodie. He's a goodie if you get him in. Oh, shoot. Hell, that's all right. Oops. He's a carpy. Woo! Is this your first carpy, Ty?
I don't know.
I don't know. Ooh. He might be. It says ooh. Okay, you're gonna have to go down and, oh, that's a good one. Go down and chase him, Mar.
Can't get this out.
Oh, you can't get the rod holder out?
God.
Oh, I'm just gonna let you struggle on this one because it's kind of funny.
I can't. Oh.
Mark's first fish here. That's a goodie. Because you caught the 9-pounder, right?
Yeah, I caught a 9-pounder.
You caught a frog. Ty's busy in Ty world. But he caught a carp.
Ty caught a carp.
Yeah, I caught a carp.
But Tam caught
the beast. New PB.
53 point.
53.5. And that was weighed on tournament scale, so that's 100%
So it's accurate.
Yeah.
Yeah, that first carp that I weighed, I thought was bigger than Mark's. I weighed it in kilograms.
They had a lot more action with the carp this morning. We only had a couple bites for catfish.
All in all, that's a fun video though.
Cameron has to get home, but we're gonna turn around and come out and do it again. So, but I hope you guys enjoy this adventure. I know it's kind of split up, but it's kind of cool. So, yeah.
A different adventure.
What are you gonna say about your PB?
That it was fun.
And big.
All right, y'all, stay wicked. We might as well sit here for a little
Look
bit
at my
longer.
shirt.
Catfish shirt is slimed. That was awesome.